Oh, hey, what's up? You're back. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Why is Kevin wearing a pirate hat? Why is Kevin have on sunglasses? Or probably more importantly, what is this video about? Well, let's go check it out. Y'all want to learn about how to keep your crypto safe, huh? Mario P, was that you that voted for this?
Can it get hacked?
Well, no. Bitcoin's, technically it can be hacked, but no.
You're lying, bro.
I'm lying. What you mean?
If you leave Bitcoin in the night wall for 2 weeks, that shit gone. They're going to have Bitcoin on the cinder block.
Well, you came to the right place if you want to keep your security, your crypto safe. And listen, y'all. Do I have some fancy degrees in internet or cybersecurity? No. But do I have over 10 years experience of running cybersecurity firms? Also no. But my friend Alton does, and me and him hung out in Miami once, and we talk a lot about, he runs a security firm. So I ran him by all of my personal strategies, and he approves. So none of this is financial advice. None of this is just for pure entertainment. So don't listen to anything I say. Or if you do listen, don't sue me. Yeah, don't sue me. All right, because listen, y'all know me. I'm Classic Kev. I got the coin picks that'll make you sick. I got the portfolio gains that'll give you pain. I got the crypto security tips that'll, well, I just got crypto security tips. Y'all ever seen The Longest Yard? Man, I love that movie. All right, y'all. Tip number 1. Avoid any scams that ask to give out your seed phrase or username and password. More importantly, do not click on any shady links. These are what's called phishing attacks. So what happens is the hacker will send you an email that looks real, like it's from Coinbase, but it's really not. So don't click any shady links. Do not give your seed phrase or username or password to anyone for any reason, even me. See in the comments, they have like all these scam comments that are trying to get you to send them crypto or send them information. Do not do it. These are all scams. Remember when you were kids and you'd get an email that the Prince of Nigeria needed money, like those scams that you knew were scams? This is the new scams, okay? All right, y'all. Step 2 is you need to get one of these. This is what's called a Ledger Nano. And what this thing is going to do is it's going to allow you to store your crypto on the blockchain. So if you put your crypto on this, even if there is a nuclear war, as long as you have this, you could go anywhere in the world and you could recover your crypto because it's stored on the safest place in the world, the blockchain. The blockchain's never been hacked, y'all. Okay. Step 3, you need to get a Yubi key. This is what a Yubi key looks like, y'all. See how it's got like a little key ring? So what a Yubi key does is, let's say I go on Coinbase and let's say a hacker gets in your Coinbase and they want to send money to themselves, right? The hacker will be prompted to put the Yubi key in. So you need this physical device and you have to touch it in order to send money. So it's just an extra security layer. There's also a thing called a Google Authenticator. That's Coinbase says that's one of the more secure. So Yubi Key, Google Authenticator, guys, you can get them for like $30. I'll have a link in the description to Amazon where you can get them. All right, a Coinbase Vault. All right, so what is a Coinbase Vault? So what Coinbase does is it's basically allowing you to store your crypto on Coinbase, and when you put it in a vault, then let's say a hacker gets in your account and they're ready to go wipe you out. Well, in the Coinbase Vault, it will take them 48 hours. So the hacker gets in and he goes to move money. It's going to take 48 hours to move that out. So hopefully by that time you get an email or a call or a text and realize you're getting hacked. So basically the criminal is just, it's like a mouse, he's trapped in the cage. He can't do anything. All right, now another option is whitelisting. Now what whitelisting is, okay, think of Venmo, right? Let's say you use Venmo to pay your grass guy and your barber, and that's the only 2 people you use Venmo for. So imagine if somebody stole your phone and they were able to Venmo themselves money, right? Well, with whitelisting, you could add just those 2 people, your barber and your grass guy, and even if they took your phone, you could only send money to those 2 people. So when you put whitelisting on, like I have multiple different brokerage accounts, I put only those accounts. So if a hacker gets in my shit, all he can do is send money in a circle to myself, right? Okay. Another tip, y'all, a lot of scams are happening with what's called SIM card swaps. What a SIM card swap is, basically the hacker is able to take your SIM card, put it in their phone, and then they have access to your email. So they have access to two-factor authentication, like if Google calls you, Coinbase calls you. So call your carrier, do what's called a number lock, and you could just lock your number where, you know, you have to do it in person, or there's some kind of option like that. Every provider is different, but basically call your carrier and get whatever the most strict security is. Okay, y'all, and like I said, for all these products, I will have Amazon affiliate links in the description. And guys, the Classic Kev NFT Task Force, we are taking applications. We go after all the largest NFT drops, especially the free ones. So the task force is looking for members. Hit up Big Girl Bitcoin Bailey. Leave Bitcoin Bailey in the comments if you want to join the NFT task force. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Peace.